Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming where Python will look for files and why that matters. Mismatched working directory causes file not found error. Once done, choose the right loader for your format. Open for raw text, CSV module for simple CSVs, JSON for JSON, pandas for tables, because each preserves types differently. Make sure to specify encoding and errors handling up front and use pathlib. Path for robust cross-platform paths. This reduces path join mistakes and simplifies absolute versus relative decisions. Now you implement the read. You should use a context manager like with open, path, mode, encoding as F to ensure files close even on exceptions. For CSV, pass delimiter and quotecar to prevent malformed rows and consider CSV dict reader when you want dicts. If using pandas, read CSV, control dtype, parse dates, and low memory to manage memory and preserve types. Also validate a small sample with head, or reading first few lines to confirm columns and encoding before processing the whole file. Finish by validating the imported data so you catch schema drift early. Check row count, headers, sample rows, and data types. If you hit file not found error, confirm the resolved path and permissions. A Unicode decode error means try a different encoding like UTF-8sig or Latin 1. Parser errors usually indicate delimiter or quoting mismatches. Switch to a more permissive reader or pre-clean the file. If things go wrong, isolate with a tiny subset and add logging to see where parsing fails, then iterate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.